100 phrases for everyday English. How to use them with examples.
Before we begin, I would like to remind you that I am sharing this material with you for free. I hope you can support me by liking and commenting after watching this video for about 3 minutes. Your feedback is important to me and helps me improve. Thank you for your support and comments. Great, let's begin.
1. Hello. Example: hello. How are you today? 2. Goodbye. Example: goodbye. See you later. 3. Thank you. Example: thank you for helping me. 4. You're welcome. Example: thank you for the gift. You're welcome. 5. Please. Example: can you please pass me the salt? 6. Excuse me. Example: excuse me. Could you tell me where the nearest restroom is? 7. I'm sorry. Example: I'm sorry for being late. 8. How are you? Example: how are you feeling today? 9. What's your name? Example: what's your name? My name is John. 10. My name is. Example: my name is Sarah. 11. Nice to meet you. Example: nice to meet you too. 12. Where are you from? Example: where are you from originally? 13. How old are you? Example: how old are you? I'm 25 years old. 14. What do you do? Example: what do you do for work? 15. How's the weather? Example: how's the weather today? 16. What time is it? Example: what time is it right now? 17. Can you help me, please? Example: can you help me carry these bags? 18. I don't understand. Example: I'm sorry, but I don't understand what you're saying. 19. Can you repeat that, please? Example: I didn't catch that. Can you repeat it, please? 20. Where is the nearest? Example: excuse me. Where is the nearest bank? 21. How much does this cost? Example: how much does this shirt cost? 22. Do you speak English? Example: excuse me. Do you speak English? 23. I love ... Example: I love chocolate ice cream. 24. I like ... Example: I like to read books in my free time. 25. I don't like ... Example: I don't like horror movies. 26. What's your favorite? Example: what's your favorite color? 27. How do you say in English? Example: how do you say table in English? 28. Could you write that down, please? Example: could you write your phone number down for me? 29. Can I have a glass of water, please? Example: can I have a glass of water, please? I'm thirsty. 30. Where's the bathroom? Example: excuse me. Where's the bathroom? 31. Can I try this on? Example: can I try this shirt on before I buy it? 32. I need help. Example: I need help with my homework. 33. What's happening? Example: what's happening in the city this weekend? 34. I'm hungry. Example: I'm hungry. Let's go grab something to eat. 35. I'm thirsty. Example: I'm thirsty. Can I have some water? 36. Can you show me? Example: can you show me how to tie a tie? 37. Can you teach me? Example, can you teach me how to play the guitar? 38. I don't know. Example, I don't know the answer to that question. 39. What's this? Example, what's this called in English? 40. What's that? Example, what's that noise? 41. I'm lost. Example, I think I'm lost. Can you help me find my way? 42. What's the date today? Example, do you know what the date is today? 43. Can you pass me? Example, can you pass me the salt, please? 44. I have a question. Example, excuse me, I have a question about the assignment. 45. How far is it to? Example, how far is it to the nearest train station? 46. Can you drive? Example, can you drive me to the airport? 47. What's the time? Example, what's the time right now? 48. Can I borrow? Example, can I borrow your pen for a moment? 49. Can you help me find my way? Example, can you help me find the nearest bus stop? 50. Can you take a photo of us? Example, excuse me, could you take a photo of us, please? 51. I'm sorry to bother you. Example, I'm sorry to bother you, but do you have a moment to talk? 52. It's nice to see you again. Example, it's nice to see you again after so long. 53. Take care. Example, take care on your journey home. 54. Are you busy? Example, are you busy right now? I need your help. 55. How's your day going? Example, hi, how's your day going so far? 56. Can I join you? Example, do you mind if I join you for lunch? 57. What are you doing? Example, hey, what are you doing this weekend? 58. I'm feeling sick. Example, I'm feeling sick. I think I need to see a doctor. 59. I'm tired. Example, I'm tired. I need to get some rest. 60. I'm bored. Example, I'm bored. Is there anything fun to do around here? 61. Can I have the bill, please? Example, excuse me. Can I have the bill, please? 62. I need to go. Example, I need to go now. Goodbye. 63. Can I have a seat? Example, excuse me. Can I have a seat next to you? 64. Do you have a minute? Example, do you have a minute to talk? 65. Where did you learn English? Example, your English is very good. Where did you learn it? 66. Can you recommend a good restaurant? Example, can you recommend a good restaurant in this area? 67. What do you do for fun? Example, what do you like to do for fun on weekends? 68. Can I help you? Example, do you need any help with that? 69. I'm looking for ... Example, I'm looking for a new pair of shoes. 70. Can I have a look? Example, can I have a look at that book? 71. How do I get to? Example, excuse me, how do I get to the museum from here? 72. I'm late. Example, I'm running late for my appointment. 73. Can you speak slowly, please? Example, I'm sorry, but could you speak more slowly? I'm still learning English. 74. Can you spell that, please? Example, can you spell your last name for me, please? 75. I'm sorry for being late. Example, I'm sorry for being late. Traffic was terrible. 76. How was your day? Example, hi, how was your day at work? 77. Can I have some more? Example, can I have some more sugar in my coffee, please? 78. I'm sorry to hear that. Example, I'm sorry to hear that you're not feeling well. 79. What's the problem? Example, what's the problem? How can I help? 80. I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Example, I'm sorry, I didn't catch what you said. Could you repeat it? 81. Do you have any plans for the weekend? Example, do you have any plans for the weekend? 82. What's your favorite food? Example, what's your favorite food to eat? 83. What's your favorite hobby? Example, what's your favorite hobby to do in your free time? 84. I'm looking forward to it. Example, I'm looking forward to meeting you tomorrow. 85. Can you speak up, please? Example, can you speak up a little? It's hard to hear you. 86. I don't know how to double quotes. Example, I don't know how to cook spaghetti. 87. How do you pronounce? Example, how do you pronounce your last name? 88. Can I have some advice? Example, can I ask you for some advice about my job interview? 89. Can you wait a moment? Example, can you wait a moment? I'll be right back. 90. Can you help me find my hotel? Example, excuse me, can you help me find my hotel? I seem to be lost. 91. Can I have your phone number? Example, can I have your phone number so we can keep in touch? 92. Can I have your email address? Example, can I have your email address? I'll send you the information. 93. Can I take a message? Example, he's not available right now. Can I take a message? 94. I'll call you later. Example, I'm busy right now, but I'll call you later. 95. Can you fix this? Example, can you fix my bike? It's not working properly. 96. I'll let you know. Example, I'm not sure yet, but I'll let you know when I decide. 97. Can I ask you a question? Example, can I ask you a question about your presentation? 98. Can you pass me that book? Example, can you pass me that book on the table, please? 99. Can I have some help? Example, can I have some help with this heavy box? 100. I'll see you tomorrow. Example, it's getting late. I'll see you tomorrow at the meeting.